Amazon and Starbucks are calling back their employees to the office on more days of the work week. The times of working from home and enjoying that commute from bedroom to den are fewer and fewer. Travel time to the office in 2023 averaged 26 minutes for Seattle area residents, and that's down slightly from 28 minutes in 2019. With more workers returning to the office now, the average will likely inch closer to or surpass the pre-pandemic mark. With this knowledge, some workers will want to ditch the tiring commute to downtown Seattle and find a home within walking distance of the office. Right now, 39,000 of us walk to work most days, but that's far below the estimated 49,000 who walked to work in 2019. Interested in learning more about the downtown Seattle area housing market? Give me a call or drop me a note. Thanks.